Hello, good morning. Welcome to Software Designs. Today we'll be teaching you how to power click images in Coreldraw. And this power click, for instance, you come here. You can see these are the images we want to power click. Power click simply means you want to put something into another object. For instance, now if you see from let's create a rectangle like this, or just a shape. Let's, as you can see from here, creating this shape. Select the image you want to power click, click on it, then go to object. When you go to object, you see power click here. Click on place inside the frame, click on it, then come here, click, and then the object is inside. If you want to readjust from inside, you double click on the rectangle 2 times, double click, and then you are inside. As you can see, then you can drag to any angle to fit or rearrange on how you want to. Remember, don't drag from here. Remember to always drag your images at the top from these corners like this, so that it won't distort the sizes of your images. You drag it a little bit like this, and then select, let's create a rectangle, another rectangle from here. Select the image you want to power click from here, click on it, and then go to object. Click on object from here, click on power click, locate power click. You see place inside frame, click on it, then click inside. This picture has moved inside the rectangle. Double click on it to open, and then resize by pressing shift. If you press shift, there is a fluent resization option. You move, press shift and hold like this. You can move in, move out, together, and then drag. Then there's a rearrangement in that form, and then click on finish. You have successfully resized that particular picture, and then create another rectangle or shape. Let's see, in a portrait way, so that you can power click this picture. Also, click on the picture, go to object as we did earlier, locate power click, click on place inside frame like this, and then click on the shape you want to power click inside, bam, and then now it's inside. Double click on it, and you see you can resize, bring for, you can see the best fit how it will be. You have successfully power click these pictures inside. And this is not just restricted to pictures. You can power click anything at all you want to power click. You can also say you create a cycle like this, give it a color. Let's say what's the color? I think this is a desert blue. You can change it, or let me say a deep navy blue, and then from here click on it, go to object, power click, locate power click from here, place inside, then click on it. You successfully see how it moved inside, and then you can blend, shift it to one corner, click on it, and then click on finish. It has power click inside that particular shape. Thank you so much. Watch out for our next video.